Right. Okay. So now we will look into this activity, right? So you can see in this table how we are going to read this table would be, this is Monday morning, what Kevin is going to do. So that is what you have, right? So Monday morning, play badminton. So I hope you know what is badminton, right?
Okay, teacher.
Right. So Monday afternoon, study maths. And
Okay.
Tuesday morning, read a book. Tuesday afternoon, watch TV. Wednesday morning, help mother to cook. Wednesday afternoon, visit grandmother. Who is grandmother? Do you know who is grandmother?
Grandmother is
Yes.
my mother's mother.
Yes, very good. Grandmother means your mother's mother. Right? ආච්චිට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ නැත්නම් අපි අත්තම්මා කියනවා සිංහලෙන් අම්මගේ අම්මා. Right? Grandmother. අම්මගේ තාත්තා එහෙම නැත්නම් සීයාට අපි කියන්නේ grandfather. Yes, very good. Right. And next Thursday morning, go to the library. What is library? Do you know?
Library is Sinhala is Pustakalaya.
Right. Yes, very good. Pustakalaya. Right. So what do we do at library?
Yes, teacher.
What do we do at library? So when you, yes. Yes, you are right, Hirusha. Can you repeat your answer?
Reading book and borrow book.
Yes, very good. Yes, we read books and also we can borrow books. Right, very good. And Thursday afternoon, play cricket with friends. So I think this is known to you. And Friday morning, finish the science project. Right? And Friday afternoon, watch a cartoon film. Right? So, okay. So I think all these are clear to you. So now let's move on to answering the questions, right? So what is the first question? What are Kevin's plans for Monday? What are Kevin's plans for Monday? So yes, you can give your answer.
He is play badminton and study math.
Yes, good. So your answer is correct, but when you are giving the answer, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Right, okay. So when we are giving an answer here, we need to give it as a full sentence, right? So you said, yes, he is playing badminton. That is also correct. He is planning to play badminton because that is what he is going to do in the future, right? ඒ කියන්නේ ඉස්සරහට කරන්න ඉන්න එකක් නම් අපි කියන්න ඕනේ he is planning to, right? If not, we can say Kevin's plans for Monday are playing badminton and studying maths, right? So whenever we are giving an answer, first it should be a full sentence. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි මුළු වාක්‍යයකින් තමයි උත්තරය දෙන්න ඕනේ මේ වගේ එකකට. එතකොට Kevin's plans for Monday are. කියන්නේ මෙතන ප්‍රශ්නෙම ඒ අහලා තියෙන එකම තමයි අපි අනිත් පැත්තට උත්තරේ දෙන්නේ. මෙතන Kevin වෙනුවට අපිට දාන්න පුළුවන් his කියලා. right? මේක මම මෙතන ආයෙත් පැහැදිලි ලියන්නම්. මෙතන අපි Kevin ගේ නම අපිට ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් his කියලා. ඔහු කියලා අපි කියන්නේ. අපිට නම ආයෙත් අපි කියන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. අපිට his ඔහු කියන එකට his කියලා අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. His plans for Monday are playing badminton and studying maths. right? මේ මෙතන මේ වගේ තැන්වල මේ ඒ වගේ ඒවා තමා ව්‍යාකරණ. මෙතන අපි සිංහල වලත් තියෙනවානේ මම නම් මී අපි නම් මූ ඒ වගේ අපි දැනගන්න ඕනේ මෙතන මේ plans කියන එකනේ කියන්නේ මේක plural කියන්නේ බහුවචනයක්. right? So when we are talking about a plural we have to use are. මේක plan විතරක් තිබ්බනම් මෙතන එන්න ඕනේ is කියලා. right? Plan is, plans are. right? So when we are writing an answer we need to make sure that we write the answer in proper way. right? Okay, so shall we move on to the second question? right? So second,
Teacher,
right. So the second question is, when is Kevin visiting his grandmother? When is Kevin visiting his grandmother? So Hirosha, you can try the answer.
I can teacher try the answer. Kevin
Yes.
visiting his grandmother on Wednesday afternoon.
Yes, very good. So this time you got it very correctly. Kevin is visiting his grandmother on Wednesday afternoon. Right? So you got it correct. Shall we move on to the third question? Where is Kevin going on Thursday morning? Where is Kevin going on Thursday morning? Can you try the answer, Hirusha?
He is go to the library.
So you should say he is going to the library, right? He is. If we are using is, we should have ing, right? So you can see, as I said earlier also, you can write either Kevin or else this time you can write he, right? He is going to the library on Thursday morning, right? මෙතන අපිට is කියන වචන එනවා නම් ඊළඟට එන ආඛ්‍යාතය එකේ අපිට මෙතන ing කියන අකුරු තුන දාන්න ඕනේ. go කියන්නේ යනවා කියන එක going වෙන්න ඕනේ, right? So he is going to the library on Thursday morning, right? And fourth question, how is Kevin going to spend Friday morning? How is Kevin going to spend Friday morning?
Kevin going to spend Friday morning, finish the science project.
Right. So you found the answer correctly, but again you need to focus on the grammar, right? So Kevin is going to, right? So Kevin is going to finish his science project on Friday morning, right? So always Kevin, or here you can have he as well. So that in that place you are correct. Is going to finish his science project, is going to finish his science project on Friday morning, right? So you need to focus on the grammar. It should be correct, right? So you can find it from here because it is given, right? So if I just highlight here, you can see how is Kevin going to. So it is already given. So it is just to rearrange these three words as Kevin is going, right? Okay, and the fifth question, this is about you. So tell us about your plans for tomorrow. Yes, Hiroshi.
I'm plan for tomorrow play cricket with my brother.
Right. Okay, so I have written that I plan to do English homework tomorrow. So what you gave was you are planning to play cricket with your brother, right? So what you should say is I have planned, or you can say I am planning, right? So I am planning. I will write your answer here. Right, so your answer is I am planning to play cricket with my brother, right? So that is what you are planning, right? Right. So you can add the other part as well, but I will stop here. I am planning to play cricket, right? So when you are talking about what you are planning to do, you have to use I am. And here for the word plan, you have to add this N-I-N-G. I am planning to play cricket, right? And the sixth question, what are your plans for the weekend?
Teacher, I'm plan for weekend watch education lesson on TV.
Right, good. So here also you have to say I am planning, right? So you mentioned I am planning, right? So you have to write I am planning, right? So again here you have to use the ing, right? So here you get, right, I am planning to watch educational program on the TV, right? So you always, when you are answering, one thing you need to notice here is you need to give the answer in a full sentence, right? සම්පූර්ණ වාක්‍යයකින් උත්තරේ ලියන්න ඕනේ. සහ අනිත් එක තමයි මම කිව්වේ grammar හරියට තියෙන්න ඕනේ. උක්ත වාක්‍යات ඒ ටික හරියට ගලපලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. I am planning, right? Okay, so I think it is clear to you. Right, so that is the end of this activity. Right, so I think we can move on to your pupils book, because I think I asked you to read this at home, right? Okay, so Hirosha, did you get time to read this activity?
I can speak.
So you can read, right?
Right, teacher.
Right, okay, so you can read. I will just check how you are reading, and then I will let you know if there are anything you need to change, right? So always keep in mind, I think I explained few things you need to remember when you are reading, right? So just if I go here, when you are reading, you need to keep these things remembered, right? So you need to read silently first to get the understanding, You need to note the punctuation marks. You need to divide the sentence or the questions into small pieces and then read it with the meaning. And also the vocal tone, you need to change your vocal tone. And also you need to read in a suitable speed so that the person who is listening can understand what you are reading, right? Okay, Hirosha, so if you are ready, can you start reading?
Okay, teacher. Activity 1.1. Act out. The grade 8 students of Ranpura Vidyalaya are organizing an English camp. The members of the organizing committee, Saranga, Amita, Rajeshwari and Milan have decided to meet at Saranga's house to plan it out. Amita: hello auntie, good afternoon. Is Saranga at home? Auntie: good afternoon Amita. Yes, he is here. Please come in. Milan: thank you auntie. Saranga: hello everybody. Why don't you sit down and make yourself comfortable so that we can start our discussion. Start away. Rajeshwari: let's first discuss what we have done so far. Shall we? Milan: well, I already preparing the invitation cards. Amita: wow, did you do it all by yourself? Milan: all by myself. How could I? Amina and Romesh helped me with the invitation for the invitees and the judges. Our art teacher himself designed the invitation for the chief guest. Sarang: Rajeshwari, how about selecting customers for the drama, the sound system and the decoration? Rajeshwari: Jude will take care of the sound. Ruin and Meena promised to do the decoration by themselves, but selecting customs for the drama is a problem. I can't manage it by myself. I need someone to help me. Saranga: any voluntary? Amita: I can ask my brother to help us with that. Sarang: thanks would be great. Milan: how about the language activities and games? Sarang: our English teacher said that she herself would prepare them. Well, we seem to be doing fine so far. I am sure we can make the English camp successful and be proud of ourselves.
Right. So very good. I think you have read it at home as well, right?
Thank you, teacher.
Right. Okay. So I just thought that I was listening to what you read, and I actually highlighted few words which I think you need to improve, right? So Hirosha, can you repeat this word again once? What is this word?
Decided.
It should be decided, right? So what do we mean by decided means? අපි කියන්නේ මම තීරණයක් කරා කියලා. අපි කියනවා නේද මා හරි අපි මෙහෙම දෙයක් කරන්න තීරණය කරා කියලා. කරා කියන එක තමයි decided, right? So this should be I will start from here only. Rajeshwari and Milan have decided to meet at Saranga's house to plan it out, right? So this should be decided. That means they have I could say they have make a decision. ඒගොල්ලෝ එහෙම කරන්න තීරණය කරලා තියෙනවා. Right? Decided. Right? And this word, can you read it again? Hirosha?
Yes, teacher.
Can you read this word also again?
Auntie.
Yes, that's good, right? So sometimes when you were reading, you said auntie, but yes, අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනකොට auntie කියනවා, but in English, when you are reading this word, it should be auntie, right? And what about this word? Can you read this one?
Straight away.
Straight away, yes, very good. Right, so that is straight away. That means අපි කෙලින්ම වැඩේට බහිමු කියන්නේ. කෙලින්ම ඒ කෙලින්ම කියන එක තමයි, that is what we mean by straight away, right? So yes, here he says so that we can start our discussion straight away. ඒ කියන්නේ කෙලින්ම අපි සාකච්ඡාවට, discussion කියන්නේ සාකච්ඡා කරන එකට, කෙලින්ම අපි සාකච්ඡාවට බහිමු කියන එක තමයි මෙතනින් කියන්නේ, right? This word, what is this?
What, teacher?
This word, what
Shall.
is shall? Yes. So what do we mean by shall we? So it is like a question. අපි සිංහලෙන් අහන්නේ අපි මෙහෙම කරමුද කියලා. ඒතර මේක කියන්නේ let's first discuss what we have done so far. Shall we? Right? ඒ කියන්නේ අපි මෙච්චර දෙයක් කල් කරපු දේවල් කතා කරමු කියන එක. අර අපි අන්තිමට යන කතා කරමුද කියලා ඒ අහන එක අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අහන්නේ shall we? Right? And this word, can you read this word, Hirosha?
Prepared, teacher.
Yes, prepared. So what do we mean by prepared?
Yes, teacher. It is Sinhalese from සූදානම් කරනවා අතීත කාලයේ.
Yes, very good, very good. Yes, අපි මොනවා හරි දෙයක් සූදානම් කරා කියන එක තමයි prepared. Right, very good. And here, can you read these two words?
The inviters.
No. So this is invitations, right? So here, this is the, yes, අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කියවනකොට අපි මේක the කියලා කියවන්නේ. හැබැයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි මේ the කියන වචනයට පස්සේ එන වචනේ පටන් ගන්න අකුර. දැන් මෙතන මේ වචනේ තියෙන invitations නේ. invitations කියන එක පටන් ගන්නේ I අකුරින්. I අකුර සාමාන්‍යයෙන් Hirosha දන්නවද what are vowels? Do you know what are vowels?
Yes, teacher, I can vowels. A, E, I, O, U.
Yes. So if the word which is followed by the is starting with a vowel, we have to pronounce this as the. Right? ඒ කියන්නේ අපි දැන් මෙතන the කියන THE කියන වචනේ තියෙද්දි ඊට පස්සේ තියෙන වචනය පටන් ගන්න. මේ පටන් ගන්න අකුර vowel එකක් වුණොත්, vowel එකක් කියන්නේ A, E, I, O, U කියන අකුරු පහෙන් එකක් වුණොත් මේක අපි the කියලා නෙවෙයි pronounce කරන්නේ, මේක අපි pronounce කරන්නේ the කියලා. Right? එතකොට මේක අපි කියවන්න ඕනේ the invitations. Right? මම ආයෙත් මෙතන ඉඳන් කියවන්නම්කෝ. Romesh helped me with the invitations, right? ඒ කියන්නේ සාමාන්‍ය වචනයක් නම්, ඒ කියන්නේ A, E, I, O, U නොවන වචනයක් නම්, දැන් මෙතන බලන්න මෙතන තියෙන the drama. එතකොට drama කියන එකේ D අකුර කියන්නේ එක vowel එකක් නෙවෙයි. එතකොට අපි මේක pronounce කරන්නේ the, right? But මෙතන මේ වචනේ පටන් ගන්නෙ I. I කියන්නේ vowel එකක්. එතකොට අපි කියවන්න ඕනේ the invitations, right? What is invitations?
Sinhalese of ආරාධනාව.
ඔව් ආරාධනා කරනවා කියන එක, right? ඔයාලට තේරුණා නේද හිරුෂ මෙතන මම මේ කියපු එක?
ඔව් ටීචර් තේරුණා.
the කියන එක d කියන එක ඒක විශේෂයෙන් අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි වල කියවනකොට අනිවාර්යෙන් දැනගන්න ඕන දෙයක්. දෙවනිය the කියන මේ the කියන අකුරු තුනෙන් එන වචනයට පස්සේ එන වචනේ පටන් ගන්නෙ vowel එකකින් නම් අපි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේක කියවන්න ඕනේ d කියලා. තව උදාහරණයක් මම කියන්නම්. ඔයගොල්ලෝට කියලා ඇති නේද apple කිව්වොත් අපි an apple එක කියන්නේ අපි කවදාවත් a apple කියන්නේ නැහැ නේද? ඒක උගන්නලා තියෙනවද? ඔව්. එතකොට අපි an apple කියන්නේ එතනත් ඒ apple එකේ a වලින් a කියන්නේ ඒක vowel එකක්. එතකොට vowel එකක් ඉස්සරහින් the hari a hari එනවා නම් ඒක අපි වෙනස් කරන්න ඕනේ. the එක d වෙනවා, a කියන එක an වෙනවා. Right? Okay.
Right teacher.
Right. So what about this word? Can you read this word?
Custom.
Okay. This is costumes, right? This is costumes. This is T-U-M-E-S. ඒක අපි කියවන්නේ costumes කියලා. What do we mean by costumes? Costumes කියන්නේ අපේ ඇඳුම් වලට කියන තවත් වචනයක්. Right? So here what he asks is, how about selecting the costumes for the drama? Drama කියන්නේ අපි මොකද drama කියන එකට අපි සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ?
නාට්‍ය හෝ ටෙලි නාට්‍ය.
අන්න right. Yes. නාට්‍ය. එතන නාට්‍යයක් කරනකොට ඒකට අපි ඉස්කෝලේත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ නාට්‍ය කරනකොට ඒකට අදාළ වෙන ඇඳුම් අඳිනවනේ. අන්න ඒ ඇඳුම් වලට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ costumes. එතකොට නාට්‍ය drama එකට අදාළව අපි costumes අඳින්න ඕනේ. Right? So this is costumes. Right? Right. And can you read this word, Hirusha?
Word is volume 3.
Okay, so this you need to read as volunteers, right? So volunteers, right? කොහොමද කියන්නේ? ඔයාලට try කරන්න පුළුවන් දෙක පාරක් කියලා.
පුළුවන් teacher. Volunteers.
Yes, very good. Volunteers. So what do we mean by volunteers? අපි volunteers කියලා කියන්නේ අපි කියන්නේ අර ස්වේච්ඡාවෙන් යමක් කරනවා කියලා කෙනෙක්.
ඔව් teacher කැමැත්තෙන් ඉදිරිපත් වෙන්න.
කැමැත්තෙන් ඉදිරිපත් වෙනවා. අන්න ඒ වගේ කෙනෙක්ට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ volunteer කෙනෙක් කියලා. එතකොට මේක අපි කියවන්න ඕනේ volunteers. Right? හරි නේද? Right. And මේ වචනේ this one.
Doing.
Yes, doing, right. So, well, we seem to be doing fine so far, right? Okay, anyway, you read it really good, right? And I think you changed your vocal tone here and there, so you read it very nicely. That's good. So, we will learn like these few things when we are reading, right?
Okay, teacher, thank you.
Right. So we'll see what is the next. Right. Okay. So the next activity which we are going to do would be activity 1.2. Right. So here you need to read and answer the questions. Right. So since we have only 5 minutes, I will read the questions and I will give you this as a homework for this week, right? So I will just read the questions first, right? So read and answer the given questions. Question number 1, who were the members of the organizing committee, right? So here notice this is O, right? So THE followed by a word which is starting with a vowel. O is a vowel, right? So it should be read as the organizing committee, right? Who were the members of the organizing committee? Second question, where did the organizing committee meet? Where did the organizing committee meet? Right? Question number 3, did Milan prepare the invitation cards by himself? Did Milan prepare the invitation cards by himself? So you can see here also the invitation, right? Question number 4, who decided the invitation for the chief guest? Who designed the invitation for the chief guest? Right? So here note, this is the invitation, but here it is the chief guest, right? This is the, but here it is the, right? And question number 5, what were the responsibilities of the following students? List them. A, Jude, B, Ruvin, and Meena. Right? What were the responsibilities of the following students? Right? Question number 6, how did they solve the problem of selecting the costumes for the drama? How did they solve the problem of selecting the costumes for the drama? Right? So here the problem, because P is not a vowel, the costumes, because C is not a vowel, the drama, again it is the, because D is not a vowel, right? Okay, so Hirusha, do you understand these questions, or is there anything which is not clear to you?
Yes, teacher, I understood.
Right, okay, I understood, right. So at home, can you write the answers for these questions? Right? And send me your answers through WhatsApp. Would it be possible if I give my number?
Teacher, what is your WhatsApp number?
Yes, I will type it here. It is not 722. There will be 3 2s, 41833. Right? So this is my WhatsApp number. Not 7222 41833. Right? So write the answers for these 6 questions and send me the images of your answers. Them and I will give you comments where you can improve further. Right?
Okay, thank you.
Right. Okay. So we can end the class for today. If you have any questions, you can get them clear. ප්‍රශ්න මොනා හරි තියෙනවද නැත්නම් අද කරපුවා පැහැදිලිද?
පැහැදිලි ටීචර් හොඳට තේරුණා ටීචර් කොටස් ටික.
Right. හරි. අපි හොඳට අර පැහැදිලිව කියවන්න ඕනේ. අර කියපු පොඩි පොඩි දේවල් ඒවා හොඳට improve කරගන්න ඕනේ. Right? Right.
හරි
Okay.
ටීචර්.
Okay, so good, Hirusha. Thank you for joining for the class. We will end the class now and meet again next Thursday. And send me the answers for the activity. I will send you the corrected answer sheets, right? Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Right.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye and good night.
Good night, teacher. Take care.
You too. Thank you.
සුබ රාත්‍රියක් සර් ඉංග්‍රීසි පන්තියේ තිබුණ සර් හොඳයි.
ඕකේ සුබ රාත්‍රී